Using the same circle, one hole that's been divided into 4 parts, 4 fourths. We're going to be comparing fractions with like denominators. So let's get started. Here's 1/4, right? I'm going to use different colors for this activity. Here's 1/4. Here's 1/4. Sorry, the table's shaking. And here's 1/4. So we have, let's start here with the purple, 1/4. Let's go to the red. There's only one part out of the 4 that's red. So we're labeling them with color. We have 1/4 is forest green. And we have 1/4 that is black. If we add them all together, so let's use a different color to do our addition sign, make it sort of stick out. Remember, all together is, that's all adding is putting things together. We only add the tops. 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4. We bring over the bottom, the denominator. It just tells us how many pieces we have in the whole thing. That never changes. We can't add them together. If you added 4 plus 4, it'd be 8. We don't have 8. We have 4. And it also tells you the size. It's 1/4. Each unit is the size of each unit. So we have 4/4. Now everything's labeled correctly. Now let's do some adding. What would happen if, look at, I'm going to use parentheses. I'm going to put the purple and the pink together. So I got rid of the green line. Yeah. So what happened now? We have 1 and 2. We have 2. I'm going to use the purple. 2 out of how many? 4. We have 2/4. Well, let's compare it to the black. 2, and let's compare it to the black one. That's just a 1/4. Well, which one's bigger? This shape? Let's make it all purple since we used purple. This shape over here, it's a lot bigger. So we have to do greater than. Yeah. What if we compared, instead of the black one, let's use the green one. Man, oh man. All these markers are not created equal. So let's compare the black one. Let's look at the black one. 1 out of how many? There it is. 1/4. And let's compare it to what's in parentheses. When you see parentheses, that means add those two together. Those two belong in a group. It's a way of grouping things. So we took them and we grouped them. And we changed our picture. So how many is in there? 2 out of the 4. So what happens if I put the black one first, the small one first, and the bigger one second? Remember the big open, the teeth? This one's not going to be as short. There you go. 1/4 is less than 2/4. Yeah. That's all I want to do. wanted you to see parentheses. And what does it mean to see parentheses? It means you add those together first. You got to think about those two first. So we did. We said there's 2 in there. That's 2/4. And then And then we start comparing sizes. And we used greater than and less than. I know, it's not the neatest work you've ever seen, but it'll get the job done. Yeah, there's a lot on here. All right. I think I've worked hard. I'm going to go walk my dogs, and I want you to go do something fun that brings you joy. All right, wildflowers. Go have fun.